Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. We're on project number 23 in the Countdown to Christmas series. And today I'm sharing with you these cute tea pocket holders. And they're kind of the tea bag folds. And now I have made these in a previous video many months ago, just in kind of everyday paper, and it was a really light paper, so they weren't as sturdy. And now I've decided to make them with the scrapbook paper and use lots of nice Christmas patterns and colors and embellish them with a little tea or coffee cup stamp. I'm calling it a tea stamp right now because I'm filling these with tea, obviously. And I just used my punches, and I was able to stamp out the little teacup and then put that on a scallop circle and then add it to just a round, a little bit larger circle, and use that for the decoration. So it looks like this. There's a few different ones here that I've done. So you can see those, and just on scrapbook paper as well. And then you're gonna add those to the front of the tea pocket. So this is what they look like. I've used so this first one here has got some pretty poinsettia paper on there. Here's the tea bag inside. And obviously you could use Christmas tea if you can find some. Maybe some peppermint teas would be nice. And they're actually two-sided, so you could put a little treat. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to put in there yet, but you could stick a little treat inside there. A little Andes mint, or, you know, something thin. Maybe a Ghirardelli chocolate or something like that would fit in there. And then you just use a little punch a hole in the top there to hold it so that you could put it together, and then add some little ribbon on there for decor. And I think they turned out really nice, and they can actually stand. You just, because of the tea bag fold, you just kind of press down in the center there and they can stand up. So they make nice table favors. So I have all the measurements and everything in previous video, and I will link to that so that you can watch that one as well. And I also watched, I think it was Roxy Furs was the initial one that I watched, her video to get the measurements for this as well. So I'll link that too. And so here's another one. I've used lots of pretty papers. This one's a black paper with poinsettias in red and white on there. And there's the stamp on there. So it looks like that. The cinnamon apple tea in that one. And then here's a kind of foil paper with a silver background and snowflakes on there. They're really pretty. And I've got lots of different ones that I've done here with a Christmas stripe there. See, this one's got pretty, I think it's like mistletoe hanging down. Little red ribbon on there. And this one has Christmas trees, black and cream color there. Got another one here with some poinsettias and holly berries on there. And some more snowflakes. That's really pretty. And this one's a different color, red snowflakes on this one. And one more here with some red background with kind of cream color snowflakes on there. So those are pretty much ready to go. And then the ones that I've shown that don't have the stamp on yet, I'm going to go ahead and finish those up. So you can watch me do that if you like. And otherwise they're pretty much ready to go. Yeah, so I hope you like those. And I think they make great gifts. It could be teacher gifts or gifts for a friend or a neighbor. But they're quite simple to do, and I think they look, you know, fairly impressive. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.